Are you ready to add some extra cash to your wallet? Whether you're a student, a busy bee, or a stay-at-home hero, there are plenty of ways to earn money on the side without sacrificing your current commitments. The first app on my list here is Snapwire. Yes, Snapwire is a unique stock photo app that pays you to post your pictures. Buyers can request custom photos of purchase, high-quality photos for their marketing campaigns. You can actually upload your photos in the platform and participate in photo challenges to earn money. Snapwire pays out 50 to 70% of each sale to the photographer, making it one of the most generous platforms for earning money from your photos. Moreover, Snapwire offers a referral program where you can also earn money by referring other photographers to the website. Another website here is Agora Images. The fact that 100% of your revenues are yours to retain makes the Agora Images app a must-have for photographers that wish to monetize their work. Agora Images has different levels of successes, and with each level of success, the commission rate actually varies. When you sell a picture on Agora Images, it does not mean that you are selling all the rights to the image at once. You may keep selling the same image to other companies. You will rise through the ranks as your photography skills improve and more of your images are purchased. Payouts increase proportionally with the rank. Now, the app also has picture competitors where you may compete for cash prizes and even vacations. Requests are names given to the competitions held by companies, brands, and blogs. To choose the winner, they will provide the ideal picture criteria for the request. The next app on my list here is Alami. Yes, Alami is a stock photo app that allows photographers to upload their photos and earn money each time they are licensed for use. When you upload your photos to Alami, they become part of a larger library of images that potential buyers can search for and purchase licenses for. Alami offers a high percentage of the sale price to photographers than some other stock photo agencies, making it a popular choice for many photographers. The next app on my list here is Dreams Time. Dreams Time is a popular stock photo marketplace that offers a wide range of photos from around the world. Photographers can post their photos on the site and earn money every time someone purchases a license to use their photo. Dreams Time pays out 25 to 50% of each sale to the photographer, making it a great way to earn money from your photos. The next app on my list is Stockimo. Stockimo is an app created by Alami that allows photographers to upload their photos and earn money each time they are licensed for use. Now, similar to Alami, when you upload your photos to Stockimo, they become part of a larger library of images that potential buyers can search for and purchase licenses for. However, Stockimo has some unique features that set it apart from other stock photo apps, like gamification system that encourages photographers to submit their best work in order to earn higher levels of money per sale. So guys, I have another website here on my list that helps you to earn money. It is called Sweatcoin. Now, Sweatcoin is an app that pays you to get fit. Yes, it pays you to look good and exercise. Yes. So guys, Sweatcoin is a secret app that pays you to actually get fit. Now, this app tracks your steps and converts them into a virtual currency. It is called the Sweatcoin. Users can redeem their Sweatcoin for a variety of rewards like discounts and on products and services, charity donations, and so much more. To use the Sweatcoin, you simply need to download the app and create an account. This app then uses your phone's accelerometer to track your steps and calculate your Sweatcoin balance. The more steps you take, the more Sweatcoin you earn. The Sweatcoin app is available for download on Google App Store and Apple Store. Another app here is called Just Answer app. Just Answer is an app that pays you to chat with people around the world, and they provide a professional platform for users to share their knowledge and expertise with other people while earning money in the process. After downloading the app, it allows you to answer questions on a wide range of topics, including health, technology, finance, and so much more. Now, for each question answered through text, you can earn money based on the complexity of the question and the level of expertise required to answer it. The next app on my list here is called Analytics. Now, do you know that you can earn money by visiting websites and testing their usability? Yes, it's another uncommon way to make money online, and Userlytics is one of the best platforms for this gig. Userlytics is an app that allows users to earn money by participating in online usability tests. Websites and app testing are commonly known as remote usability testing, and it is a thorough examination of a client's app or website and providing an honest opinion. Userlytics actually provide a platform for companies to conduct research on their websites, and users are paid for providing their feedback. On the analytics app, you will find several usability tests to participate in, including website testing, app testing, and product testing. With this app, you can earn $10 for a 20-minute user testing job. The Usalytics app is available on download on Google and Apple Store. Guys, there's another way you can make money even without having social media following, any social media following. You can become a UGC content creator. Yes, UGC actually stands for user generated content. So brands actually send you products and you can shoot a video. Yes, you're expected to shoot a video most times, not pictures. You're expected to shoot videos and send it to the brand and then they pay you for it. So what you need to do is when you receive the item, you are to shoot the video. Just put a camera in front of you, press it, and then start to open the package. You open the package and show your expressions, but you should have a little bit, a tiny bit of editing skills, to put pictures together. So when you open the package, you show the products, you reveal the kind of products it is, you tell the quality, you express your honest opinion, your honest review. It's a review, of what you feel about the brand and the product itself, what the brand is selling, to show that the brand is legit and they are truly delivering what they have advertised to their audience on their website. So when you do that, there's an app called, or website, you can call it's a website, it's called findyourinfluence.com. Go to findyourinfluence.com and register as a UGC content creator. When you do that, you are then matched to several brands that are willing to collaborate with you. So you can register your interest, whether as a fitness UGC content creator, or as a finance. If you're interested in finance, you put it there. And if you're interested in makeup, there are lots of categories that you can take advantage of. If you're a makeup enthusiast, they will send you lots of makeup stuff for you to to use. They can send you eyeshadow, lipsticks, lip gloss, free of charge. They can send you a whole box of makeup items. If you love clothes, if you love fashion, you can get paired with brands that will send you lots and lots of clothing. Yes, clothings, lots of things. I tell you, even gadgets. If you're a hair enthusiast, maybe a natural hair enthusiast, they can send you blow dryer, hand dryer, different kinds of stuffs for your hair, rods for hair, and what have you. So guys, making money online is super easy. You just need to know where to look. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. And I hope that with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse that you can make money from the comfort of your home. It's more about having multiple sources of income. You go to the grocery store every now and then, and when you check your bank statements, you have a lot of debit alerts. But how many inflows do you have? If you have a full-time job, you get paid maybe once or twice a month, just 2 inflows and multiple outflows. So this is a way to have multiple inflows, at all, not in bad pass. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching all the way till the very end. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Please let me know what your name is, where you're watching from, how did you find my video. Let me know in the comments so I can say a big thank you to whoever sent my video to you guys. And yes, let me introduce myself while you guys are introducing yourselves. My name is Mariam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. Make it a day to join me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, like, and also do well to share my videos. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. I see you guys are not receptive towards grants videos. Grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back, but I see that it's not your cup of tea. So I would rather, if you want to see more of grant videos, let me know. But if you also prefer more of money making videos as well, your wish is my command. I'm working for you guys. So let me know as well in the comments. So yes, that is it for today, guys. Thank you all so much. Once again, I want to say a big thank you to my Patreon community. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.